Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a device from Find My iPhone on the iPhone 17 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Find My app. So I have it right here. You guys can enter either the Spotlight to search it or see it in the app library. So I'll open it. And here we have the devices. Now, if we want to delete some devices, so for an example, this iPhone right here, we need to scroll a bit down and it should be right in the settings at the bottom. Here we will be able to remove it. So as you guys can see, you cannot remove iPhone. So I cannot do that because it's linked to my Apple account. But if it's not linked into your account, then you should be able. So as you guys can see, prepare this device for repair or trade-in. But whenever I try and erase it from here, I should be able to do that. But as you guys can see, if Find My network is enabled, you will still be able to locate this iPhone. So it will disappear on this device. So you guys can remove it, but remember to unlink it from the Apple account first, and then you guys can do that. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.